Hello again. So in this video I'll try to introduce you to some sources of data, and then we can first use a pre-installed dataset with WEKA. Can go to C program files, WEKA 384 and data, and you can find it here actually. Can go to program files, search for WEKA and data. Here you can find different data sets. We are going to use the labor dataset, and we are going to use as well the credit tree dataset. So yeah, and another credible data source you can find UCI. You can search UCI machine learning repository. You'll find it here. You can click view datasets. You'll find it classified in different criteria. You can explore according to the task, like classification, regression, or clustering, attribute type, categorical or numerical, data tag and area, and number of attributes and number of instances. And another data source of data is Kaggle. You can go to datasets, and here you find some popular datasets in this time, and also you can search here. You can find either. Yeah, and for downloading it, you have to register and sign in. Okay, so we are going to use auto MPG dataset. So I'm going to download it now. Here. You can read some description about the dataset you have in order to understand it more. So associated task regression, we have 398 instances and 8 attributes. Do we have missing values? So we can download our dataset from data folder here. You can here auto mpg that here is the original one, and here is the names of attributes. Here we are going to try to load our dataset in WEKA. The main file type that WEKA uses is .arf, but you can also load the CSV data and names file. So let's try this data. Here we can we have some error. We can deal with it again. later. But for sure we can use our pre-installed data, which is saved in ARP file. So for the credit data set, here we can find that we have 1000 instances and 21 attributes. Here we can find that we have no missing values in checking. Yeah. And the class attribute, is it good or bad credit? Here we have no missing values in this data set. But for sure we have maybe we don't have any outliers in installment commitment. For this one, yeah, we can then have some data pre-processing for this our data set, and then we can, after finishing our pre-processing, like dealing with outliers or missing values and other features, we can build some classification model or clustering or association analysis. And here's some visualization of our data set. Here we find that 700 of this 1000 data instances are good as a credit status, and 300 is bad, are bad. Here are some nominal attributes for the jobs. Okay, and here I'll conclude my session, and the next session we'll start our data cleaning.